Rosso. 4S2, Cadet Major Mila Hayag. 4S3, Cadet Major George Gorgonio II. 4S4, Cadet Major Cipriano Casturia III. Major Leader, Joan Macosa. BBC Leader, Isidro Alvarez. First Company Commander, Cadet Captain Mark Anthony Asoro. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Martin Al Bartolome. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian Asoro. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jeron Barosa. Second Company Commander, Cadet Captain Moises Canela. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant Janine Concheta. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Francis Arca. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant El Silvio. Forehead, Francis Arca. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant El Silvio. Forehead, Silvia Luisa. CAC Facilitator, Mr. Ramon Buena. Assistant Facilitator, Mr. John Daniel Enriano. CBC Trainer, Ms. Maria Larissa Masila. Regional Trainer, Mr. Teddy Pascual and Ms. Lisa Vera. Battalion Staff, Category A1, Battalion Commander, Lieutenant Major Clarissa May Dulce. Battalion XO, Lieutenant Captain Sim Eligoyo. Battalion S1, Lieutenant Captain Ross Captain Elisa Ann Benitez. Company Commander, Lieutenant Captain Christian Capal. Company XO, Lieutenant First Lieutenant Noel Gaza. First Platoon Leader, Lieutenant First Lieutenant Oliver Joseph Rumbo. Second Platoon Leader, Lieutenant First Lieutenant Marian Ebio. Ladies and gentlemen, Kipayo High School, San Antonio, Kipayo, Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
Pangatuwang, yan po ang Kipayo High School CAT unit from Calabanga, Camarines Sur.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of the newly crowned Miss Bicolandia 2010, Miss Catherine Dominic Lac.
Golden Star, Lieutenant Colonel Tobias Jan Iban, Cadet Major Mercedes Miller, S1, Cadet Major Lipuya Alvin Angelo.
Nice!